guys, it's Sam and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm just super excited to share to you guys itong aking napanalunan from BLK Cosmetics. So ito yung kanilang BLK Travels Collector's Edition Mailbox. And as you guys can see, ito po yung pirma ni Miss Ann Curtis. And ayan, super excited lang ako to share the swatches with you guys. So ayun. Bago ang lahat, I just wanna share kung paano ko ba napanalunan to. So, nung June 17, which is a Monday, nag-live ang BLK Cosmetics sa Lazada app. And nagkaroon sila ng rule na for every 2,000 viewers, magpapag-giveaway sila ng isang ganito. So ako, dahil part ako ng BLK Lovers Group, alam ko na magla-live sila at 4 PM. So abang-abang ako sa Lazada. So simula talaga nung nag-start yung live, nandun na ako and I'm just really watching. Pagka-reach nung 2,000 views, nagtanong sila and yung question na tinanong nila is kung ano daw yung pangalan ng hawak nilang product. And dahil yung product na yon ay kasama sa K-Beauty collection nila, yung bago lang na nilabas, which I did a review on, and I will be sharing the link in the description box just in case you wanna watch it or if you are not yet familiar with it. Yung hawak nilang product is the Dream Skin Perfector. And hindi pa talaga tapos yung question nila. Nagta-type na ako ng answer ko kasi baka hindi umabot yung sagot at may mauna pa sa akin. So, agad-agad ako nag-answer and I really thought na may nauna na nga sa akin. Pero nung in-announce na nila kung sino yung naunang nagsagot ng tama at yung pangalan ko yung sinigaw, grabe, na-shock ako and super happy ako kasi I really love BLK Cosmetics and super addict ako sa lipstick. So, nung napanalunan ko to, I'm like, yes, additional na naman to sa aking lipstick collection. So, yeah. Thank you, Lord. Ganon. Thank you so much to BLK Cosmetics dahil ang bilis nilang nasend to sa akin. Imagine, nag-live sila nung June 17 and dumating na agad to sa akin ng mga June 19. Okay, so let's open the BLK Travels Mailbox. So, ito siya. Ayan. As you guys can see, nandito yung laman niya. Ayan po sila. And the first one that we have here is the New York and London na set. And then we have the Paris and Los Angeles. And last but not the least, we have South Africa and New Zealand. Itong mga products na to, hindi po siya bagong release from BLK Cosmetics. These were released last year pa po. And ang pinakabago lang talaga is itong lalagyan nila or itong box na to. And kapag bumili kayo ng ganito sa Lazada or on their website, wala siyang pirma ni Ann Curtis. Ito lang talagang box yung makukuha nyo. Nagkaroon lang ng pirma to kasi nga napanalunan ko siya sa giveaway. So, kung gusto nyong bumili ng ganito lang, this will retail for 399 pesos. And meron na kayong dalawang travel size na lipstick. And kung kayo naman gusto nyo lang ng ganito, if you're a fan of Miss Ann Curtis or if you are a fan of BLK Cosmetics or maybe gusto nyo lang itry yung ganito dahil wala pa kayong ganyan sa inyong collection, you can purchase this box for 1,099 pesos. So, makakasave kayo ng 98 pesos if you purchase this compared sa kung bibilin nyo siya ng isa-isa na ganito. Now guys, let us proceed sa swatches. So, South Africa and New Zealand are actually just smaller versions of I Do and Mon Amour, which are actually the shade names and the bridal collection that they had on the year na kinasal si Anne Curtis, and they are completely sold out. So, if you're not able to get your hands on those lipsticks, ito na po sila. If you guys have tried the matte lipsticks, bullet lipsticks of BLK Cosmetics, ganun na ganun din yung formula and feel niya sa lips. Very lightweight and very opaque. It doesn't dry out my lips. I hope mas dumami pa yung shades na i-release ng BLK sa kanilang mga matte lipsticks because I really love the formula. And sana yung kanilang BLK Travels na collection, hindi lang lipsticks yung gawin nilang travel size, but also their other products. So ayun guys, thank you so much for being here on my channel, and thank you for watching this video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, ano pang hinihintay mo? Go ahead and subscribe now, and also please don't forget to click the notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload new videos. Like nyo na rin tong video na to if nagustuhan nyo, and comment down below what videos you want to see on my channel. Again guys, thank you so much, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!